In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Fonts in Elementor. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can confidently set up your Google Fonts to load locally inside Elementor. This not only helps with performance and page speed, but can also make your site a bit more privacy friendly, since the fonts will be served from your own server instead of being requested from Google every time. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Use your usual admin URL and sign in with your credentials. Once you're on the main WordPress dashboard, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your main site options live. Look for the option labeled Elementor. When you find it, hover your mouse over it, but don't click yet. A submenu will appear just to the right. From that list of options, click on Editor. This will open up the Elementor dashboard inside WordPress, where you can control global settings for how Elementor behaves across your site. On the Elementor dashboard page, focus again on the left-hand panel. Here, you'll see several options for configuring Elementor. Click on Settings. This will open a page with multiple tabs across the top, each one controlling a different area of Elementor's configuration. Among those tabs, look for the one labeled Performance and click it. The Performance tab is where Elementor keeps settings related to speed, optimization, and how assets like fonts are loaded. Once you're on the Performance settings page, scroll down until you find the option called Load Google Fonts Locally. This is the key setting we need to change. To the right of this label, you'll see a drop-down field. Click on the drop-down, and from the available options, select Enable. By enabling this, Elementor will automatically download and serve the Google fonts you use from your own hosting environment. After selecting Enable, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll down to the bottom left of the settings page and click the Save Changes button. Wait a moment for the page to refresh so you know the new setting has been stored. That's it. You've successfully configured Elementor to load Google Fonts locally, helping your site run more efficiently and consistently for your visitors.